Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 786 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, KNN has reported its 2021 financial results. Hut 8 has achieved record Bitcoin holdings, and Mawson is expanding its Sandersville, Georgia facility. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so KNN Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker CAN, has reported its unaudited financial results for the 3 months and 12 months ended December 31st, 2021. Highlights include 7.7 million terahash per second in computing power sold in Q4 and 22.3 million terahash per second for the full year. Net revenues of $342.8 million and $782.5 million for Q4 and the full year, respectively. Nangang Zhang, the chairman and CEO of the company, said, quote, "Looking ahead to the year 2022, we will keep carrying out our growth strategies through proactive investment in our R&D efforts, solid execution in global business development, agile operation to keep pace with industry and dynamics, and prudent deployment in our mining operations. By leveraging our acumen, expertise, and our extensive experience in the market, we will continue to capitalize on developing opportunities in the industry." End quote. Hut 8 Mining Corp, which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker HUT, has announced that it achieved record Bitcoin holdings in the period ending February 28, 2022. The company mined 289 Bitcoins in February, all of which were deposited into custody, making for a total Bitcoin balance held in reserve of 6,115 as of the end of this month. Hut 8 also installed 2,715 MicroBT M30S and M31S Plus miners during February. Jason Zalewski, the head of technology at Hut 8, said, quote, "Our teams in Drumheller and Medicine Hat have continued to diligently upgrade our Alberta sites over the month of February. Our 2022 M30S and M31S Plus orders from MicroBT are arriving as scheduled. We are experiencing consistent growth in our MicroBT authorized repair center, and we are actively recruiting staff for our warranty center and all our sites." End quote. Mawson Infrastructure Group, Inc., which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker MIGI, is expanding its Sandersville, Georgia, USA Bitcoin mining facility to 230 megawatts. The company then, according to the press release, intends to deploy its modular data center or MDC technology at the expanded facility. James Manning, the company's CEO and founder, said, quote, "We are delighted to be moving forward with what will be one of the largest Bitcoin mining facilities in North America. Our relationship with MEAG, ECG, and the Washington County Economic Development Authority and the city of Sandersville continues to strengthen, and we look forward to expanding this facility to 230 megawatts. In an environment where large-scale, high-quality, low-cost Bitcoin mining facilities are in short supply, we are genuinely excited for site development works at our Georgia Stage 3 expansion to begin later this year." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.